Hello there guys, it's CoolFox, we're here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Betron BS-10RM earbuds. Starting off with the unboxing, we should first take off the wrapping. And taking a look at the outside of the box, you can see a picture of the earbuds themselves. And on the back you have some specifications which state that this has a driver unit of 12mm, a sensitivity of about 100 decibels, a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and a cable length of 1.2 meters. There's also their website and other social media platforms. Opening up the box, you are greeted with a little VIP card, which basically states that you can register online on their website, and you can also get exclusive VIP club benefits, which obviously include the 1-year free warranty as written and a few other benefits. On top we have the manual itself, which is in black and white and basically lists down all the important features and the functions of the control unit. There's also a carrying case, which inside you will find a few extra ear tips, other foam ear tips, and a little clip. The bag does work with a tension band, which is actually very easy to open and close. It is also actually not that stiff, but it will hold the earphones very easily inside, including the accessories with it. And now the last item in the package itself are the earbuds, of course, and taking them out you can see that they have a very particular design, and this is actually pretty cool, and we'll take a look at that a bit later. So taking a look at the earbuds themselves, you can see that they have a very particular design, as I said before. This will be very low profile since it is actually very thin, and that is something that I quite like about these earbuds. The cable is also of very nice quality, as you can see right here, and it does have a rubbery feeling to it. The control unit is also of pretty nice quality, and the buttons are tactile, just how I like them. You have a volume up, volume down, and pause play button. You also have this little divider which does slide up and down according to your adjustments. And lastly, you will find the 3.5mm jack, which is actually golden and does have little grooves so you can hold it more easily while inserting it into your phone or some other devices that take 3.5mm jacks. Testing them out, I did find that these have pretty good sound quality, but they do suffer a bit in the high ends. I thought they would fit a bit more snugly as well, but unfortunately they did fit a bit more loosely than I anticipated. They do isolate the outside sound pretty well, but since they fit a bit loosely, they do not isolate the outside sound totally, so you will still hear a bit from outside. Overall, these are very good earbuds. They have a very nice design and they have very good quality, and I would recommend these if you are on a budget. You can obviously get better earbuds but for a higher price, but these will do just fine. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.